Hello my dear students. In my previous videos, I already talked about some amazing shortcut tricks on quadratic equation which are very useful in joint entrance exam or other engineering entrance examination. Now, I am talking about some important examples on quadratic equation where I apply the tricks. You see the first example. If alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and Sn equal to alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n, then a into Sn plus 1 plus c into Sn minus 1 equal to question mark. We have four options here. Now we apply the trick. Here already in my previous videos I am talking about some tricks. Here let alpha equal to 1 and beta equal to 2. You can assume other values of alpha beta also, but here I assume alpha equal to 1 and beta equal to 2. So you see the equation whose roots are 1, 2 is x square minus 1 plus 2 into x plus 1 into 2 equal to 0. Implies that x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So now we compare this equation with the given equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 2. Now again let n equal to 2. You see S2, here we put n equal to 2, S2 equal to alpha square plus beta square. So what we get? 1 square plus 2 square, that is 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Now you see that a into Sn plus 1 plus c into Sn minus 1. Let me evaluate. The value of a is 1 into s, the value of n equal to 2. We assume here n equal to 2. So s2 plus 1 plus c, that is 2 into s2 minus 1. So here we get s3 plus 2 into s1 equal to s3, that means alpha cube plus beta cube plus 2 into s1, that is alpha plus beta, equal to alpha cube, that means 1 cube 1 plus beta cube, that means 8 plus 2 into alpha plus beta, that means 1 plus 2. So what we get? 9 plus 6 equal to 15. So here there are 4 options. Under A options, we get B into Sn. That means what is the value of B? Minus 3. What is the value of S2? That means 5. That is value of B into Sn equal to minus 15. What is the value of B square into Sn? B square Sn, B square, that means minus 3 square into S2, that means 5. That means 45. C option equal to 2 into B, that means minus 3 into Sn, that means S2. Here we take the value of n equal to 2, you know, S2, that means 5, that means minus 30. D, under D, minus B, that means 3 into S2, that means 5 equal to 50. So under D you get the value 15, and here we value of the expression equal to 15. So D is the right answer. Next, the example which comes in JEE Main Online 2014. If 1 by root alpha, 1 by root beta are the roots of x square plus bx plus 1 equal to 0, then the equation x into x plus b cube plus a cube minus 3abx equal to 0 has roots. We have 4 options here. So here first we start assuming alpha equal to 4 and beta equal to 9. You see why we take these type of values? Because root alpha and root beta become some integers. So 1 by root alpha, that means 1 by root 4 equal to 1 by 2. 1 by root beta equal to 1 by root 9 equal to 1 by 3. So we get 2 values here. One, if we take alpha equal to 4 and beta equal to 9, 1 by root alpha and 1 by root beta are the roots, that is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 are root of the equation x square plus bx plus 1 equal to 0. Now the equation whose roots are 1 by 2, 1 by 3 is x square minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 equal to 0. Which implies, after simplification, you get 6x square minus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Comparing this equation and this equation x square plus bx plus 1 equal to 0, you get a equal to 6, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 1. Now this equation x into x plus b cube, that means x square plus x into b cube minus 3abx plus a cube equal to 0 implies that x square plus x into minus 5 minus 3 into 6 into minus 5 into x plus 16 equal to 0. So you get x square minus 125x plus 90x plus 216 equal to 0 implies that x square minus 35x plus 216 equal to 0. So here we can rearrange the equation x square minus 8 plus 27 into x plus 8 into 27. Therefore, the roots of the equation, are 8, 27, the two roots. So here look the options here. If we put the value of alpha and beta here in A, you get 4 to the power 3 by 2 and 9 to the power 3 by 2. After simplification, you get 4 to the power 3 by 2, that means 8, and 9 to the power 3 by 2, that means 27. So option A is the right. Next example, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0, then the cubic equation whose roots are alpha into beta plus gamma, beta into gamma plus alpha, and gamma into alpha plus beta is. Here are 4 options. We have to choose the right option here. So here that we apply the trick, just a method of substitution, alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 2, gamma equal to 3. You know the cubic equation whose roots are alpha, beta, gamma is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x plus minus alpha beta gamma equal to 0. So the equation become x cube minus 6x square plus one into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So you get x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we compare this equation with this given equation. So you get here P equal to minus 6, Q equal to 11 and R equal to minus 6. Now you here follow option A. You can put the values of P, Q, R here and you simplify the equation eliminating P, Q, R and you get the numerical coefficient of x square and x also. Let us see next. Now we have to find the cubic equation whose roots are alpha into beta plus gamma, beta into gamma plus alpha and gamma into alpha plus beta. So what is the value of alpha into beta plus gamma? Equal to 1 into 2 plus 3, that is 5. What is the value of beta into gamma plus alpha? Two into 3 plus 1, that is 8, and gamma into alpha plus beta, that means 3 into 1 plus 2, which is equal to 9. So the equation whose roots are 5, 8 and 9 is x cube minus 5 plus 8 plus 9 into x square plus 40 plus 72 plus 45 into x minus 360 equal to 0. So you get here x cube minus 22 x square plus 167 x minus 360 equal to 0. So follow here under option A, x cube, option A, after putting the value P, Q, R, you get option A x cube minus 2 into Q, that means 22 x square plus Q square plus PR, that means 1 to 1 plus PR, that means 36 plus R square, that means 36 minus PQR, that means 36 into 11, (396) equal to 0. So it becomes x cube minus 22 x square plus 167 into x minus 360 equal to 0. So you see the option A is the right answer.